Hello dear students. In this video I shall take up the important topic of finding the area of a circular path. See, I have drawn here the shaded region in this figure represents a circular path. So we have two concentric circles that is having the same center, and the inner radius is small r and outer radius is capital R. So we need to understand one or two basic things here. The first thing is that a path, that is circular path, is formed by two circles having a same center, and it has two radius. The small r represents the inner radius and capital R represents the outer radius. So whenever you have to find the width of the path, then the width of path is outer radius minus inner radius. Now this is one thing you have to remember for this question, this video, because here also we are using this formula width and here also we are using width. Now after having known the concept, we need to find the area of this shaded region under these four different conditions. Here we are given the two radii, that is the inner radius and the outer radius. In this we are given the inner radius and the width of the path. In this we are given the outer radius and the width of the path. And here we are given the circumference of the inner circle, that is a small one, 2 pi small r, that is 44, and outer circumference, that is the circumference of the larger circle, that is 2 pi capital R, which is given as 66. So in these four cases we need to find the area of this shaded region. Now see, we all know that the area can be calculated using the formula of the area of a circle and subtracting the outer area and the inner area. So in that method you need to find the outer area first, then the inner area, and then we need to subtract. Quite a lengthy process. We can reduce that process which consumes half the time as consumed by the traditional method by adopting a very simple identity, algebraic identity, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. See, I'll tell you the way it is to be used here. Now, for finding the area of the path, we need to write pi, then take the sum and the difference of the two radii which are given. So, see, pi is 22 by 7, the sum is 8 plus 6, 14, and the difference is 8 minus 6, 2. So 7 cancels 2 times and directly we have the answer 22 into 4, that is 88 meter square. So I know this method might look very simple to you, but the questions given in the exams are not direct. So they are indirect questions. So we have to take some more questions. So look here, we have small r and the width. So you need to know the value of the capital R. Capital R will be width plus small r. So width plus small r is 14 meters, and now you can find the area very easily using the same method which I told you just now. Pi into sum of these two, that is 11 plus 14, it is 25, and then the difference is 14 minus 11, which is 3. So you just need to multiply 3.14 because 7 is not cancelling here. So you need to have 22 by 7 written as 3.14 and then multiply it by 25 into 3, 75 to get the final answer. So what will be the answer? 75 into 4 is 300. So we have 30 carry. So 75, 105. So 5 and 10 carry. So 225, 235. So we'll put a decimal here, giving you the final answer, which is 235.5 square meters. Now come to the third part. Here we need to know the value of small r. How do you find small r? We have to bring this small r to this side. So this becomes capital R minus width. So capital R minus width, 21 minus 4, which is 17. And now you can find the area directly. Just write pi 22 by 7 into sum. So sum of these two is 38 and difference is 4. So you can solve it like this also. I'll leave it to you 3.14 because this is not cancelling. multiplied by 112. Okay, this is 8 4 32, 2 3 carry, so 152. So you can multiply that to get the value of the area of the path directly. Let's have the final question. So in this case, 2 pi smaller, that is the circumference, inner circumference will involve inner radius, is given as 44. So the value of small r comes out to be 44 upon 2 pi. And similarly, the outer circumference 2 pi capital R is given as 66. So capital R will be 66 upon 2 pi. You can reduce it further. You can cancel this 2. This is 22 upon pi. And this is 33 upon pi. Now use the formula for area of path. I told you, you have to write pi first. So I'll write pi as pi only into sum. Now when you take the sum of the two radii, 22 plus 33 will become 55. And sum, so common base, so we'll have the value of pi as it is into the difference. And now the difference to be calculated using the simple solving of rational numbers, difference of rational numbers. So 33 minus 22 is 11 and upon pi. So here you have the simplified form of this question. So pi gets cancelled. So here you have 55 into 11 and this pi is in the denominator, which is 22 by 7. So it becomes 7 upon 22. Now you can cancel it. 11 cancels 2 times. So nothing else is cancelling here. So you will have 7 5 is 35. So 385 upon 2, giving you the final answer as 192.5 meters square. Now this is the area of the path. So see the number of steps which we are taking to solve the questions. Very, very simple method. If you practice this for say half an hour, taking 20-30 such questions, and this will save a lot of time in competitions. So if you like this video, do share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe the channel.